How to unblock Uber driver account. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's get right into this tutorial. Now first and foremost, you need to open up any browser that you prefer and just go ahead and search for your Uber support or Uber help center. Select on the first option, that is Uber help. Now from here, you will find various features of Uber that you can easily contact. To unblock your driver account, just tap on driving and delivery option at the top. From here in the dialog box, type in unblock your account or just type in unblock driver account. You may find the article related to your unblocking. Now in there, you should find the appeal portal. By tapping on it, you can easily appeal for your unblock. However, it is not guaranteed that you'll be totally unblocked by your Uber. It will depend upon the reason of why you were blocked. Uber does not stand any of the misconduct performed. So you can check the reason of your block by checking out the email that you received about the block. You can appeal that the accusation is false if you have supporting evidence for it. And this is how you'll be able to unblock your Uber account. This wraps up this tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.